completely laminated, and this is moving to the cooling chamber where we keep the module for a cooling. This is the cooling chamber. We keep the modules here for 5 minutes just to get the modules cool.
After cooling, it's
So after the cooling, this is a trimming station where we do the trimming of the excess material here.
okay.
So now the trimming is done, then it will move to the visual inspection station.
आप अपना काम करी जाओ।
So this is the visual inspection station where operator will closely monitor the module. Each and every cell he will inspect. If he found any defect, then he will pass this module to the rejected area. We have a classification like A, B, C and F. So based on the classification, we will segregate the module here. If everything is okay, then it will move to the framing station. ये क्या हो गया? So this is a
Framing.
semi-automatic framing machine where operator just need to load the frames after the silicone. So once you load all the 4 frames, then it will do the punching automatically. So the first framing process is completed here. Now this module will move to the next station where we fix the junction box. आपका म्यूनसिपलिटी का कब से शुरू म्यूनसिपलिटी का ठीक है ये कब से सब once we fix the junction box, we will keep this module in a curing line for 4 hours just to get the silicone in the potting material get cured. Here we can see the curing station. We will keep the modules here for 4 hours.
For cure.
Yeah. To get the silicone and the coating material cured. This is a sun simulator machine where we do the simulation of the module with the A plus LED technology. This is a patent machine from EcoPragati with the LED technology. See, now this module is ready to do the simulation of the LED. We will do the flashing with the 1000 irradiance, by which we can see the output of the module. So after the sun simulation, again we will do one more EL test after the lamination. This is a post lamination EL process. The same we have in pre lamination also. So we can see the post lamination image again. So if there is any defects found here, then we will classify it into the different category. Otherwise, it will go to the final station. This machine is called high port machine, where we can check the leakage between the module and the frames. If there is any leakage between the module and the frames, this module, the software will automatically show as a fail.